Welcome to this Windows Computer and Technology channel. And in the news today, an interesting story that I find telling us a little bit about how if we want to have a future that's going to be amazing in technology, we also got to take measures to make sure that they are as secure as possible. So Orbcomm, which is a service, a satellite service, that actually does what is called electronic logging. And so this, what you see here is the ELD, or the electronic logging device. That is actually capable of tracking trucks and drivers everywhere across the world. Now, on September 6th, a lot of the truckers noticed that their electronic logging wasn't working well. So they had to revert back to paper logging. And on September 7th, it was announced to most of the big companies that the Orbcomm service has been actually under cyber attack. And today we are September 15th, and apparently the service is still kind of spotty and not working well. And so this is, an important service because, there are thousands and thousands of trucks on the road every day that deliver all sorts of, device services and boxes of all sorts of, maybe your Amazon stuff, whatever it is, even industrial components. This is something that I think is a wake-up call to anybody using technology. It's great to use technology, and it does amazing things. And, having real-time data about where the trucks are and all of that can serve a million purposes, because easily you can tell the customer, look, the truck's late. It's going to be there. We see it. There it is. So just be patient or whatever. But a cyber attack that disrupts all of this shows how vulnerable most of our services are. This week here in Canada, we had a big wave of cyber attacks against provincial governments. We even have the Weather Network that is having spotty, working website and services because it also was under cyber attack. I think this shows that we've got to have better guidelines as to how to prevent cyber attacks. And if we are victim of a cyber attack, there needs to be better guidelines on how to get out of it too. So this, I think, is a wake-up call. And today's question is, what do you think about all these services that are all automated, that are wonderful, tracking and doing all of these things, but become useless under cyber attacks? What's your feel on this and the future of all the technology we have? If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up, and don't forget, you can always give a little something by clicking the little heart on the bottom right of the video, where you can actually give a little tip, a little something to help me out if you like what I do.